So here in this video we are going to use break and continue statement in while loop. So for this I am here going to create a new file for this, and I just have to click on this icon and here I write break continue while loop. I'm giving the name to this file .php. So this file is created here, abc, and this is a blank file. So what I'm doing, I'm copying all this content from for loop here. I just say copy from here to here, control C to copy, and here I paste this here in this file to save our time. And here I will give the head as break and continue in while loop. Okay, and while for loop, instead here I will write while. And in order to do with the while loop, what I need to do, I have to create a variable, say variable x, and to that I am initializing equal to say 0, and here I'm going to write while loop to my program. So I have to write while here, and while loop will take only the condition, so I'm just going to put the condition here, and I'm removing all the line from here, and while remove all this. Okay, so this is while loop, in that we have set the condition that initially we have set variable x equal to 0 and while x is then 10. I just wanted to use this, and here I have to write one more line to increment the loop. So I'm writing here x plus plus. So that is the while loop. We have already learned how to use while loop. Here we are using that if the variable value of x is equal to 6, the loop will break. So this time instead of 6 I will using say 3. Save the changes, and for the moment of time what I'm doing, I'm making this as comment entry, multi-level comment entry. So far to that I have used slash then star, and to this point I wanted to make comment entry, so to say I make the multiple line comment entry. Save the changes, and here we go back in the PHP folder. Local server, and here we see break and continue in while loop. Here this is a file, and just click on this and see the result. Use of break and while, and it has when the value of x become equal to 3, the loop has break over here. Okay, so this is, otherwise if we don't use the break statement, value has to be displayed from 0 to 9, total of 10. But we have set the condition if the value of x become equal to 3, loop will get terminated at this moment of time. So once the value of x become equal to 3, the loop get terminated, and we will not get the result, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 here in this case. So, and here in this case now we are going to use how to use continue in while loop. Same procedure we have to follow here. Then we have to declare a variable, say this time I'm taking another variable, so I'm taking variable y, and to this I'm initializing equal to say 0 and putting the semicolon here to terminate the sentence. And we need now to have this line here. While in the while we have to set only the condition. Initialization and increment is done outside that. So here we go, right now while this done. So here I have written if the value, so what I'm using the variable by, so I have to write here y in my case, variable by, and similarly here I have to write by, and here I have to write y, and what I need to do, I have to increment it by 1. So what I have to write one more line here, that is y plus plus. So every time it will display the value of y, I have to increment it by 1. So my purpose here is again to display the value from 0 to 9. But if the value of y become equal to 4, I just wanted to continue from there. I just wanted to skip 4. So in order to see the results, save your changes here and maybe go refresh it. And we got a error over here in the line number 27, and that's error here in the program. So we have to remove this, save your changes, and again refresh your program. So it again takes time for load, but I will this, and I will make this line enter here, and we save the changes and refresh this. You see the result here. Okay, number is equal to 0, number is equal to 1, number is equal to 2, and after this here is a use of continuing the while loop. So 0, 1, 2 is done, 3 is done, 4 is skipped over here. I just wanted to skip 4 in this case, so 4 is skipped over there, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is done in our case. So this is how we have to use continue and break in the while loop. That's all for now. See you in the next video.